Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Figure is already given in your question. So first write what is given. What is given? ABCD is quadrilateral. So write it here. ABCD is quadrilateral. To prove, what you are going to prove, that is AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Then proof. I am doing the figure here. A, B, C, D, this is S, this is P, this is Q, this is what? R. This is given figure. So from this given figure, how I am going to prove this statement? Let us see. You know that A, B, C, D are external point of a circle. You could see from the figure. Okay. You know that external point and the tangent relationship in theorem 10.2. What is that? That length of the tangent from an external point to a circle are equal. You have seen that. Do you remember? That theorem only we are going to apply here. So check it. A is external point of circle. So we can write it AP equal to AS, because AP and AS both are tangents from an external point A to the circle, given circle. So we can write it, the length of the tangents of an external point to a circle are equal. So AP equal to AS, first equation. Then go for the next one. B is external point of circle. Okay. Right now, we can write PB, which is equal to BQ. Why? B is external point to a circle. Then length of the tangent from an external point to a circle are equal. So write it here. BP, which is equal to BQ. Equation number 2. Then go for, as like C is external point of circle. Then we can write it CQ, which is equal to CR. So CQ, which is equal to CR, equation number 3. Write it for another one external point, that is D is external point of circle. So we can write it dr equal to ds. Dr equal to what? ds. Write it. This is equation number 4. Okay. Write it. But you have to write the thing here. What is the theorem you have applied? Theorem 10.2. That statement you must write it here in every equation. Okay. So add these all the equations, because I need AB plus CD. So add these all the equations. Okay. Equation number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Add it. AP plus BP. AP plus BP. What you will get? AB. Okay. Then CR plus DR. CR plus DR altogether what it gives you? CD. Then equal to. Okay. First I have to add the LHS side, then go for the RHS side. So now you see AS plus DS. See, AS plus DS. Altogether it will gives you what? AS plus DS altogether gives you AD. Plus BQ plus CQ altogether gives you what? BC. This statement only you have to prove.